In this video, I'm going to show you how to find saved reels on Facebook. So what we can do is save a reel, and then I'll show you where it's saved so it's easy to navigate to. So let's go to Facebook, and we're just going to go to the Reels page here. And if you want to save a reel, the only thing you really need to do is go ahead to the far right side here and hit that little bookmark icon. It's right underneath the share icon. So let's go ahead and click the bookmark, and as it says, it is saved. So let's go find it. So now what we can do is go back to home. Let's get this out of the way. Let's go back to home. And you want to go to the three lines at the top left-hand corner. And under your shortcuts, you should have saved here. If you were to hit see more, it's in the same spot as your friends and your memories and all these things that should be baked into your homepage of Facebook. So let's go to saved. And as you see here, the reel that I just saved came up in this section. You have reels, you have posts and things like that. So it's real easy to navigate through. Another way you can do this, just in case you forget about this option, is let's go back to those three lines at the top left, and we're going to navigate to our settings and privacy, and then let's go to settings. So under settings, you want to scroll down until you find your activity and go ahead and click on activity log. And then go to your Facebook activity. Go ahead and hit that arrow on the far right side for a drop down menu. And then you want to go to where it says saved items and collections. So go ahead to your saved items. And this isn't the best layout, but this will actually show you the reels that you also save as well. So there's two methods to do this, but that's it. It's super simple and super easy to save reels, but then go and find them on Facebook.